Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on 8-Ball Pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up your 8-Ball Pool game. And if you're running it for the first time, you will need to tap on the accept button. Now you have various options to log into your account. You can log in with your Facebook and that will link your Facebook account with the game progress. You can also continue as guest by tapping on play as guest. Now either log in using your Facebook, your Miniclip or your Google Play account. You might need to enter your email address and your password to log in. So simply go ahead and type it in and tap on the login button. And now you will be logged into your account with 8-Ball Pool. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account with 8-Ball Pool. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.